Hi, this is D. Adams with the E-mini Trading Professor System. Well, it was quite a day. We had, we didn't have anything actually. The market was just completely still until the Fed decided to do a little speaking, and much to everybody's astonishment, he really didn't have anything new to say. Make sure you read our disclaimer, as it contains all sorts of important and pertinent information. Well, here's today's chart, and market started down pretty good. We took a little trade. I was trading with in a mentorship program today. I felt really bad for the guy because the market just wasn't doing anything. And as you can see, right up until this point right here, about 1:30, it just kind of fiddled around, and you notice that the bars are tiny, and there was no real actual movement. And you're talking about 2 or 3 points, in these what look like real moves. And of course, as things started, to gear up a little bit, it went going. But again, the signal you can see and hear, the signals were impossible to read. I think we made one trade, and then we played around with a few other trades, just experimenting on demo accounts. But it was incredibly. I mean, like I said at the title, it's kind of like watching a nail rust. By about 11 o'clock, we were both so bleary-eyed from literally watching nothing, to the point where we thought, well, perhaps it'll be a better day to trade tomorrow, and that was certainly the case. It's just. And I never understand it, because the Fed right now doesn't have anything new to say. They can't lower rates because they've lowered them all they can go. They did announce they're going to hold on to a bunch of $2 trillion worth of bonds, which during normal times would be a non sequitur announcement. But today, for some reason, people were waiting with bated breath just to hear this. Minor at best announcement, and it's really indicative of how far the Fed is. Really, they got a big gun, but just don't have any bullets. So there's the chart. It's probably one of the ugliest charts you'll ever see. It's just there's just no trading opportunities. Again, we stopped at about 11:30. There was some stuff going on here, but again, this was highly unpredictable. I mean, this is as the chairman starts to speak, and there's really no rhyme or reason to, what the market's going to do or how it's going to react. So, those are some pretty tough bars to try to really trade. Perhaps later in the day, about 2:30, you could have got something here. By then, though, my eyes had crossed and my brain had shut down, flatlined, I believe. And having to endure this period right here was more than any human being could really endure. So we have high hopes for tomorrow, but today was wow. I mean, like I said, it was like watching a nail rust, and it was really a tough day to be mentoring somebody or doing anything on the market. Well, the market isn't always as flat as it was today. As you're well aware, there are oftentimes great times to trade, and today was just one of those days as the market waited for the Federal Reserve Chairman to speak. It just came to a screeching halt. So uh, you know, it might have been a better day to read a book or, you know, get a good workout. But in any event, that certainly isn't the norm. We'd love for you to come to our site at Learn to Trade and Invest with a whole bunch of hyphenates in there, and we offer free videos just like this one. Usually they're informative. This one is not as informative as it could be. Usually I show trades and everything, but there really wasn't any trades to show today. I just really wanted to illustrate how the market can just come to a complete stop, you know, at certain times, and that's what happened today. Well, in any event, I hope that helps. Have a great day and enjoy yourselves.